Good morning. So it's the second day of cycling on our bike tour with Portugal Nature Trails. Today we have about 55 kilometers. We're going to cycle west out to this like peninsula sort of area where we will be spending the night. So here we go. You all ready to go, Kevin?
You bet. Yeah, all ready to go. Chafing at the bit.
You're not tired from yesterday?
No.
We're just starting out now from Obidoz. We've gone about 10 feet and we're lost already. I think we go this way, Kevin thinks we go that way. We're about to see who's correct. Portugal in general is pretty flat, but on this bike tour there's been quite a few little hills. They're not long, but they're steep. And I'm going up one right now. That way. Yeah. Whew. Rain is coming.
In Australia, this is called a piccolo. You ask for a piccolo, that's what you get.
We just had our morning coffee break, or Kevin had his coffee at this hotel you see behind me, and now we're on our way. I convinced Kevin to follow me on this dirt road. This isn't really part of the bike path, it's a shortcut. Alright, so we just checked into our hotel in Peniche, Portugal. I probably butchered the name of that. But today was a pretty good ride, much shorter than yesterday. We did get rained on a little bit, but the sun came out as well, so not too bad. The hotel room is really nice, like, check this out. Yeah, and there's out here is like a little balcony, and there's the city, so. Yeah, not bad. All right, Kevin, end of our second day of cycling. Yeah. How was it?
It was windy. It was windy, but very pleasant on the coast and a bit of inland. A few little mechanicals with the bike, just a few little irritations, but we'll get those sorted out over the next couple of days. Yeah, it was a nice day. It was only a short, 50, 60 Ks.
Yeah.
So we're in good shape. Pleasant afternoon. So on to tomorrow.
All right, it's our first day of our bike tour with Portugal Nature Trails. It's sprinkling a little bit. If it stays like this, it'll be fine. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much more. We're at the hotel right now. We're gonna get breakfast and then we're gonna be on our way.